Namaste all. Welcome back to our channel Language Learners. Today we will talk about RHR. Resting heart rate is the rate at which your heart beats. Do you know, friends, our heart beats that RHR when it is at low level, it indicates that your heart is taking enough rest. But when it goes on a higher level, it indicates that your heart is not taking enough rest. So, the conclusion of this line is that the heart, which we sing praises of, that it started from the worm and till the tomb. It starts from worm to go till we go to tomb. That heart is also taking rest, enough rest to go on and on. But we human beings have some unfortunate misconceptions that holidays are for rich people or holidays are for children who haven't yet shouldered the responsibilities. But it is not true. Holidays are for all. It's our perspective that how we spend our holiday or how we look at our holiday. Because when we go for a holiday, what we do, we go at some place, then we go for sightseeing, we go for shopping, and by all this we exhaust ourselves at the end of the day. And what happens? This holiday doesn't serve us a break, but it breaks us down. So, when a holiday is with family, it is to rebuild the family ties. But when you are taking a break, you need a break. So think upon that holiday, that how you will take a break. Because when we take a holiday, what happens? It break the daily routine pattern. It is called a holiday. Leave your mobile phone, your laptop, and dress comfortably on your holidays. Forget modeling. And then please don't start cooking when you go on a holiday. Treat your trunk a new cuisine. Resolve that not to call till your holidays is through. And holidays are for not only the recreation of yourself, but to recreate your spirit as well. A holiday to look back and to look ahead. A holiday to be a full-time spouse. A holiday to be a full-time parent. A holiday to be a full-time son. A holiday to recreate yourself. A holiday to free yourself from all the labels and designations. Holidays are mandatory. Any attraction needs a distraction. A break is needed. If you do not take a break, we will break down, or you will break down. And do you know, even God needs a break. For in 6 days, He creates heaven and earth. But on the day 7, He took rest, a day off, and He was refreshed. So my dear friends, think upon a holiday, how to take a holiday, in which manner you will take a holiday, to recreate yourself or to break yourself. We will get back to you soon in the another video. Till that time, bye bye, take care.